I'm Misty McKeon, Director of the Office of PittServe. PittServe is a university-wide initiative that connects students to volunteer opportunities here in Pittsburgh, across the local region, as well as across the world.
PittServe is an organization made up of highly motivated individuals with a passion for community service. PittServe is important because it connects the Pitt student body to the greater Pittsburgh area.
With this program, you'll get a chance to work with nonprofits around Pittsburgh. You'll get a better understanding of what organizations are out there and what they do to help the community around us.
We're one of the few schools that have such a large office dedicated to helping others and reaching out to our community.
What makes PittServe unique is the idea that students have the opportunity to connect directly with their passions, but also to use what they're learning in the classroom to be sure that they are getting the best experience possible.
Through my service at Pitt, I've made wonderful relationships with the people I've served with. I've also felt more connected to the community around me, and I've also gained a better appreciation for diverse groups of people in the Pitt community.
I think service is important because it's a chance for you to give back to the community, and a lot of times you never know what that service you do could help for someone else. So it's an hour for you, but it could be a lifetime effect for the person that you give to.
I serve because I myself have benefited from the service of others.
I serve because I love people and I love learning about the issues that the communities around me face and how I can help.
I serve because I have a civic responsibility to my community as a student at the University of Pittsburgh.
For more information and to sign up, visit the PittServe's website.